Erling Haaland is set to kick off the new Premier League season chasing even more goals, this time in the Nike Phantom 6 Low Elite FG, launching August 18 for about $290 via Nike.com and select retailers. Following the Phantom GX2 there will be goals. This edition amplifies Nike Football's spotlight on its star striker. The boot blends blue void, laser orange, and lemon Venom for a high-energy, pitch-dominating look. Most of the Gripknit upper gleams in gold, contrasted by a bold reverse swoosh, a snug sock-like collar, and sharp heel accents. Beneath, the Cyclone 360 plate in tonal navy enhances traction and agility. Designed for Haaland's lethal finishing, the boots merge style with technical precision. As Pep Guardiola's Manchester City aims for another dominant run, this vibrant pair symbolizes Haaland's scoring intent and Nike's commitment to marrying cutting-edge performance with striking visual flair.